Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu isalukazi sendoda lesi uGogo Bathini Mbatha. Gogo at which stage lapho ngalahlela khona ithawula. Angisazi sengizame konke. Ngiyawalahla amathemba manje. At which stage? Umbuzo usho njalo ukuthi at which stage gogo lapho ngathi khona sengizwile gogo. Impendulo ilula. At no stage, as long as usaphila, it means there's still not only a hope, but there's still a way ukuthi you can fix izinto zakho, you can fix your life. Often people noma impilo noma usizo selisemnyango seku TV on your finger tips, you still feel ukuthi awukho ngakwenza. Let's go back, guys, back in the days. Imagine before the days of internet, before the days of TV, before the days of radio, before the days of newspapers. Coco, they used to travel miles and miles and miles away to get help. They've never lost hope. Kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi umuntu uyatravela uhamba ngehashi ulayisha umuntu ogulayo or ubelethe ingane egulayo, even before the days of your proper clinics. Mhlambe kuyazi ukuthi kuzobe khona amaroma endaweni ethize esigodini esikude, and you don't have a choice but to walk barefoot sometimes there to get help. Kunomthandazo sendaweni ethize, hey uyashumela lo muntu ichibi lakhe liyaphilisa. People were not sitting down and typing ukuthi gogo imina usibanibani ngisemnambithi ngicela assistance, can you help me, can you send me some stuff. They didn't have all of that, but thina usizo lwethu lula kuma fingertips, lula esandleni usizo lwethu. The only thing that we need to do ukuthi sibelethe inyawo zethu siye lapho usizo lukhona, then we get help and then we live a better life, if I may put it that way. But inkinga eyenza ukuthi lapha ekhaya uzufinyelele estageni sokuthi uthi wena wesalukazi sendoda ngiyawalahla amathemba, sengikhathele, I give up. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can say when I'm not in the business to convince people to say, hayi ungalahla ithemba ungakaboni mina. No. If you have decided ukuthi wena uyalahla ithemba, it's done with your life. It's okay. Lilahla ithemba. Don't make a call to tell somebody ukuthi wena ulahla ithemba. It's like calling somebody uthi no when ufuna ukuyibulala. If ufuna ukuyibulala, it's simple. Kill yourself. As soon as you announce ukuthi ufuna ukwenza ini, I wouldn't use words that are harsh that I could have used if ever bengikhuluma nomuntu ungakhulumi na thousands and thousands of people. Others are sensitive. But if ever bofuna ukuyibulala bayibulala. But the fact yokuthi you are talking to somebody, you want somebody at least to listen to you. Mina, I can listen to you, but I am not going to tell you ukuthi yenzani. Wena ofanele uthathe isinqumo sokuthi ufuna ukwenzani ngempilo yakho. Siphila einsukwini zokugcina, I assume. Siphila lapho ekunzima khona. Mathi insuku zokugcina ngisho ukuthi mhlawumbe uyaphela, kodwa siphila lapho kunzima khona, whereby we have a lot to deal with. Except you alone, there are people that are depending on you. And there are people that trust you. Ubaba wekhaya, ingane zakho, wena enganeni zakho, uyi-superstar, uyi-superman enganeni zakho. Ingane zakho believe so much in you. Umama, ingane zakho believe so much in you. Ugogo, abazukulu, they believe so much in you ukuthi ikhaya lilali khona ngenxa ukuthi ugogo kukhona kwenzayo ugogo kukhona imizamo ayenzayo umalume khona imizamo ayenzayo uanti khona imizamo ayenzayo umkhulu khona imizamo ayenzayo whoever, meaning ukuthi we all have a very important role that we play. And you have so much people that number of people abadepende kuwena. Sometimes it's a matter of ukuthi you are in business. Your business is not doing well. There are people that are depending on you for their families to survive through them. When you want to close branches, when you want to shut down the factory, you want to shut down the business just because of Ukulahla Ithemba. What about the people abanenkolelo engaka kuwena? Were you lying to them? So they were wasting time njengawe, but we thought as much. No, they'll be worried. So meaning ukuthi before you reach a stage in life lapho uthi khona ngiyalahla ithemba, you need to think one about yourself. What about you? I guess bashiye la basiqale ngawe. What about you? Have you achieved everything that you wanted to achieve in life? It's your life where you wanted it to be. The answer will be no, because we're talking about ukulahla ithemba. So what about then people that are depending on you? Let's talk about your kids, people that you brought into this life. Sometimes it's not only about your kids. Sometimes now your parents are your kids, even if wena ungenayo ingane ephuma kuwena. But now you have parents abathi, hey sesikhulisile ongenani solala sidlile manje na ingane sesifundisile in wena you call it a black tax. You don't want wena ukusiza abantu bakini, it's a black tax. Ekhaya nje yazi ekhaya nje makuyafona bangiphathisa ikhanda ekhaya this in wow, wena usuphumelele and then you see it as a black tax and then igcina iba yinto le bad luck kuwena, because why? You now think you better. Then musuna that bad luck and then you feel like giving up. You feel like throwing a towel. But the advice is simple from Mr. Sendot. Yes, ungangibiza ngo-locksmith and everything. Ngivula iminyango engimenye kuyona ukuthi ngivule. Ngivula inhlanhla zomuntu ongicelayo ukuthi gogo nami ngiyabona ukuthi kukhona lo mnyango ongakazi uthintwe. Sikhona lesi sifo senhlanhla empilweni yami engisafuna sithintwe ukuthi ukhiye wakhona ngiwazi. Gogo ngicela ungisikisele ukhiye wempilo yami. You come to me. You don't send a WhatsApp. You don't write an email telling me about your problems. You don't write an SMS telling me about your problems. You call, you make an appointment, and you make sure you come. Why? Because you want to change your life. It's not a favor to me. It's not a favor even if I help you. I do what umsebenzi wedlozi engiphathiswe wona ukuthi ngusize. It's not a favor. Nawe mawuza kimi uzofuna usiza ungenzela ifavor, akekho wenzela omunye ifavor, because at the end of the day you pay. There's a token of appreciation ofike uyishiye kasha engiphilisayo nami ngoba owami umsebenzi ukuthi ngisize wena. And you might think ukuthi awagogo umsebenzi ulula and everything. No, not until you travel to the country whereby you can't even speak their language, ukudla kwakhona akudleke and everything, but ubekezele for what? For somebody ohlele kuphi, ohlele ekhaya ku WhatsApp, ohlele ekhaya ku YouTube, ongafuni ukusuka because oku comfort zone. So before you saying ukuthi I give up, think about imithi wayilande enyangeni ehlele kini ongazange uyisebenzise. You don't have time when. Sometimes abanye abantu bayakhuthala for nothing. Ungakhuthali uhambe uye enyangeni uyofuna umuthi, uhambe yokumthandazo uyofuna ichibi, uzathatha ichibi lelo uzolibeka la uzoqoqa izibe ekhaya. Bese gcinela ukuba ngathi uyinyanga wena, ngathi uyisangoma, ngathi umthandazo. Why? Wena because of usuku wena futhi owazi ukuthi ubani uyasebenza ubani akasebenzi. Wazi ngani ubani akasebenzi ngoba imithi yakhe uyisebenzisanga wafika wayifaka edrawini. So ngani zakwethu, the advice is very simple. Don't give up for as long as you are alive. Abakini basagcinile because banenjongo nentshisakelo ezinhle ngempilo yakho. And there are people that are depending on you. I'm only available Empangeni, Mzimeleni, 082 833 4063, 082 833 4063. Ilo number leyo, it's only for bookings and directions. Ayikho into esiyidiscussayo ngefoni, azikho indaba esiyidiscussa ngefoni, awekho ama-prices odiscussa ngefoni. It's just for you to get help, and you come and you get help. Not only kusalukazi sendoda. Usalukazi sendoda is not the only locksmith in the world. There are a lot of locksmiths in the world. But inkinga yakho, wena kunokuthi ukubekezele nje kumuntu ukhalela into ekhona, whether you got help or you didn't. Ungena la kusasa, hayi nokuthi next week or next month, kusasa usubona omunye usuyajump, nini usubona omunye usile, nini usubona omunye usile. Kunabantu in a period of 3 months unama treatment awu-6. Into ayaziyo yena sekazi nama tricks ethu elokhuzana asemakhosini. Why? Because uyathawutha. So if you need help, get help, stick to that person. Whether usePhalaburwa, whether use-Cape Town ukuthi ukukude, it doesn't matter. Ayikho indlela ekude if you need help. Ayikho indlela ekude if you need help. I repeat, ayikho indawo ekude if you need help. You must go there and get help. Simple. Nothing else. You need to uthathe ini inyawo zakho uyibelethe uhambe uyofuna usizo. It doesn't matter ukuthi ukuphi. Isalukazi sendoda uGogo Bathini Mbatha umavula kuvala emzini wanyamadoda. Isalukazi sendoda uLexsmith. Siyacela ke ngane zakho, don't forget to subscribe and press that notification button. Don't forget, mina nawe we have an appointment ngo-12 la kuhlangana khona uVilinqangi nabakini, nami ngizobe ngikhona posting yet another video. Because why? I care. Ngiyabonga.